I'm going to show you how to add a crop. So you're under your farm profile and you click on Add Planting and then you fill in the information. I'm going to just use an example of one that's already done for ease of purpose. So snapdragons, I put the color orange, I put the planting date. You can choose your growing environment where you put it at. And then I put 200 plants, days to maturity, 56 to 70. When you enter that in, it automatically gives you the expected harvest date, the expected harvest range. And then when you go to harvest them, you will enter the actual harvest date so that when you report it at the end of the season, you can tell exactly how many days to maturity it took for your zone, for your environment. It's new to me to grow in my high tunnel this year and plant so early with the short day length. So I don't know if this 56 to 70 is going to be accurate, but your biggest thing is just to continue to document it and learn, and that way you can reliably predict for the next couple years. You can generate an AI image and then it shows up, or you can choose a file and upload your own image in there. From there, you can continue adding them. And once you have everything added, you'll look here and it'll have a green date for planting and an orange date for harvesting. And then you can export your schedule. So this is one of my favorite parts, the PDF for the planting schedule. If you go down, you can see exactly, okay, May 1st, I'm planting my dahlias. May 4th, I'm planting lisianthus. May 11th, I'm planting sunflowers. And you can see that planting date on there as a PDF. And you can do the same thing with the harvest schedule. And you can do it as a PDF or a CSV. So this is predicting that I'm going to have yellow snapdragons, around 200 of them on April 13th. And then go through and look at this. This is another way to warmly introduce yourself to florists. You could print this off, go into their shop, show them what you should have blooming, get them to get on the platform, and then they'll be able to view it. So that is how you add a crop. Additionally, I put it in there of date that I'm going to transplant it. And so that is how I pick my days to maturity. If you are starting it from seed, you're going to add 10 weeks, 12 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever it is, to that days to maturity based on when you're planting it. So that is how you enter something into the crop planner. And then if you go into inventory, it automatically shows up as something that's planned. So florists or yourself can view your projected harvest. This goes in order of when it's going to be blooming and it has a prediction there. So that's how you enter a crop.